Hi, everyone. This is Steve Panovski. I am president of UBX Cloud. Today's topic, I wanted to discuss why cloud service providers are more important for small business than ever before. As the majority of you probably know, small businesses are the bread and butter of our economy. They need to remain more competitive and lean compared to their more well-established counterparts in order to establish a level playing field. Cloud service providers help the small businesses by giving them capacity that dynamically adjusts to their workflow entirely based on volume. During seasonal upswings, small businesses can dial up more capacity, and during slow periods, they can reduce their capacity. This access to capacity on demand and expertise on demand is helpful as cash flow and spend is only needed when there's work to support it. So imagine a grocery store. You know, you've got shelves full of product and you have people wanting to buy it. In the cloud model, when you're busy and you have a healthy amount of inventory on hand, you can rapidly replenish the inventory as your demands are, as the customers are buying. During a seasonal upswing or during a slower time, you don't need to order as frequently, and the existing stock that you have is sufficient, so you can kind of dial that capacity back a little bit. It's much the exact same concept in the cloud model. In the cloud world, cloud service providers provide the necessary technical expertise and the existing and already established technology framework to secure the journey and make the surface area of attack as minimal as possible with the least amount of risk. These types of activities and value adds are typically only afforded by much larger companies, but when you're working with a cloud service provider, the economies of scale match, and you're consuming an enterprise-grade product at the rate of which you only need. So you don't have to put a significant upfront cost on hardware and software and consulting and expertise. You can simply purchase this in a fashion that can be consumed at a much smaller level, and the cost is adjusted accordingly. So, as small businesses start moving away from paper and onwards to digital, cloud service providers, by their very nature, provide a secure stronghold for their data and their workloads at a particular price. And with all those things lined up, it's just meant to drive the success of small business in conjunction with working with an incredibly flexible and elastic um, cloud provider. So I hope that was insightful, and I hope that kind of gave you some understanding of how cloud service providers can help small business. Thank you so much. Look forward to talking to you on the next one.